Hi, this is Akashani watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you if you want to make your laptop keyboard as mechanical keyboard. So let's follow the steps. So first, what you have to do, you just open your browser and search mechanical vibes and hit enter. Open the first URL, this URL, and click on download. After that you will see that it will show so many version here. So this is a new latest version, these are old version, few other version are also available. So you have to download the latest one, and it is available for Windows, Mac and Linux also. So for me, I'm downloading this Windows version, so just click on this and it will start the downloading. So downloading is started here. Once done, we will install it. So let's wait for the downloading. So it is completed. So what you have to do, you have to install the setup file. I've downloaded one more setup here, both are same, so I'm installing one. So double click on it and start the installation. Here you have to click on more info. If it is asking, just click on more info and click on run, it will start. So over here you have to select anyone who is using this computer, or for administrator. So you can choose any of the option as per your requirement. So I'm choosing administrator only here. So if I click on next, then install. So now it is installing. It is almost done. So click on finish. Now here so many sounds are here available. So one by one we have to check all the sounds whichever you have liked. So you can set that. Now you can hear the sound, keyboard sound. All are different kind of sounds. So I like this fourth one. Okay, so once done, just close it and you can start typing. Like I've opened a notepad. So hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.